Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this box from Coach. I bought this bag because thanks to the community on Facebook telling me about this bag was available at one of the outlets, so I called them and have them ship it to me. The price was good, so hopefully it's not too much damage or flaws on the bag. Let's take it out. The packaging looks good. So this is what came today. I believe this is Coach Studio shoulder bag with signature canvas and leather trim. So when I heard about the sales, I immediately jumped on it because I really like how this lock design that's on the front. It's a good size shoulder bag, I would say. The side, the bottom, so far so good. I love that it has a back pocket. I don't have many Coach signatures logo canvas bags, so this would be a great one to add to my collection. Let's open it up and hopefully everything looks good inside. This is their suede lining, and it does come with a dust bag. And inside the bag it has this one slip pocket, pretty small size slip pocket, so probably it's hard to put anything inside. I think too small for wallet or phone. So but it does have 3 compartments inside. One big main compartment, and then the skinny one on the front, and another skinny one at the back. Kind of reminded me of Coach Cassie, very similar in that way. But the difference is, I think the crossbody strap or shoulder strap is not removable. It's adjustable, but it's not removable. So if I ever found a strap that works better with this bag, I probably will cut it off. I have never cut off the back strap before, but I saw some people cut off the strap from this bag and use a custom strap, and it looks really good. So I'm considering doing that. And here is the hang tag, and it does come with a key. Probably it's hard for me to pull the key out, but so apparently you can lock this front flap if you want to secure your bag. It's a pretty cool feature. I mean, in reality, I don't think any of us are going to lock our bag. I may lost the key, to be honest, so I doubt that I will ever lock this bag. So I'm really happy to get it at a good price. So, and the bag came flawless. It's not factory wrap, but it's beautiful, and I love how this neutral tone, the brown color, very classic and timeless. I'm not sure that this collection will start to hit outlets soon or not, but if you see them, I would definitely recommend this bag. Really beautiful design. Thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing. It's raining outside and spring is really here in Pennsylvania. I've been enjoying seeing all the beautiful landscape and amazing spring flowers here. So I hope you have a great day, and weekend is coming. Enjoy life and go shopping. Bye.